How TEMU coupons actually work. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to talk about how TEMU coupons work. So the type of TEMU coupons are the site-wide coupons, store-specific coupons, item-specific coupons, and new user coupons. So the site-wide works on most items and store-specific works for the items from a specific seller. Item specific works only on certain products, and for new user, it can be used only for the first time buyers. So how to use them? First, you need to go ahead and find a coupon, look on TEMU's app homepage, banners, or product pages. Sometimes coupons are automatically applied. First, you need to go ahead and add items to your cart. Make sure that the coupon applies to each item. And then after, go to checkout. You need to select the payment method first, and once you've selected it, if you have coupons available, you will see the option of coupon over there. Make sure that you apply the coupons if it wasn't automatically applied, and then check that the price is correct after the coupon is applied before you pay. So some coupons can be combined, but others cannot. Check the expiration dates. They usually last 1 to 7 days, and some coupons require you to spend a minimum amount. New users often receive extra discounts on their first orders. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.